This is Alex from Best Dermatology Melbourne. How can I assist you today?
I need to book a doctor's appointment, please.
Certainly. May I have your preferred date and time for the appointment,
Yeah,
along with your...
sorry for cutting you. Can I get something today because my eczema has extremely flare up and I need to see a doctor today, please. Any doctor would work.
I'm sorry to hear about your flare-up. Let me quickly check our availability for today. May I have your full name and contact number, please?
Sure. Sorry, it's Anna Bell Lewis and my number is 12345678.
Thank you, Anna. I'm checking our schedule now for the earliest available appointment today. One moment, please. I found an appointment with one of our dermatologists today at 3:30 p.m.
Oh, lovely. Yes, I'll take that. Yes, please.
Great. Anna, I've booked your appointment for today at 3:30 p.m. You'll see one of our dermatologists then.
Oh, lovely.
Is there...
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Anna. If you need any further assistance before your appointment, don't hesitate to get in touch. Have a great day and take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Anna. Take care and see you soon at Best Dermatology Melbourne.
You just saw Alex, my AI receptionist for Best Dermatology Clinic in Melbourne, and I have configured this in Microsoft Foundry. Microsoft Foundry, which is formerly known as Azure AI Studio, enables developers to build faster, smarter, while organizations gain fleet-wide security and governance in a unified portal. It's never been easier to build, deploy, and scale AI apps and agents that understands your business context and deliver business impact. Well, Foundry is for any organization that builds and scales AI solutions, including startups, independent software vendors, AI development teams, data scientists, IT administrators, and security professionals. So Microsoft provides two kinds of product that I will show you. One is the Copilot Studio and the other is this Azure AI Foundry. So Copilot Studio is ideal for business users and developers who are looking for low-code AI agents with minimum setup. It is well suited for industries like retail, customer service, and human resources. While Azure AI Foundry caters to software developers, data scientists, and technical decision makers who are focused on building complex yet scalable IT solutions. It's commonly used by enterprise in healthcare, manufacturing, and finance. And I have used Microsoft Foundry to configure my AI receptionist, Alex, for Best Dermatology Clinic, which is definitely healthcare industry. This is my trial instance of Microsoft Azure services, and this is my preview environment for Microsoft Foundry. And what I've done, I have configured a quick AI reception Alex for a dermatology clinic in Melbourne. Let's have a look. So if I go to build and then go to the models, under AI services, you will see list of out-of-the-box services that you can use. For this demo, I will be using Azure Speech Voice Live Service, and I will open in Playground so that I can test my models and see. The Microsoft Azure Speech Service gives you access to some of the out-of-the-box AI agents that you can use. For example, this is a customer service agent that you can use. It's a travel agent who provides assistance for trips across Europe. And if I go to the next agent, you can configure Eva. Eva is a learning companion who helps children learn English as a second language. If I go to the next agent, you can have a friendly, casual conversation with an AI agent. You can give them a name, any name you want. And also you can create your own voice agent by customizing the speech input, generative AI, and speech output. So what I'm going to do, I will be configuring a new agent from scratch, and I will be using GPT 4.1 mini. And this is the command prompt that I have shared with this agent, which is basically an instruction who is Alex, how Alex should be responding to the patients. And if I scroll down, there are a couple of advanced settings as well. So what's the response temperature? It controls the randomness. Lowering the temperature means that the model will produce more repetitive responses, right? So just adjust based on your requirement. And there is also a setting for proactive engagement as well. It basically initiates the conversation by themselves. And if I scroll down, there are a couple of speech input language as well. So for this demo, I will be picking up English Australia. I'll be scrolling down. So this is English Australia, beautiful. And we are using Azure AI speech model, which is by default. Voice activity detection is red, that's fine. I'll just keep the settings as it is. I'm not interested in the audio enhancement for this demo. For the voice, however, let's see if we have other voices as well. Let's pick Willem. Okay, good. So this is the voice temperature. I would keep it between 0.5 and 0.6, and voice temperature is basically a value that floats from 0 to 1, and it influences the randomness of the output. Lower temperature results in less randomness, leading to more predictable outputs. Higher temperature increases randomness, allowing for more diverse outputs, right? And for playback speed, you can have either 1 or you can have 0.9. I'll just keep it 1, it's more natural. I'll just scroll down. And this avatar is currently not supported in this resource region, and these are the supported regions, however. And because we are just testing the Azure Speech Voice Live service, so I'm happy with it. So once you configure all of these settings and you're happy, you can just say apply changes and start testing the agent. This is the Learn page for Microsoft Foundry that you can follow, and I will put the link in the comments as well. So Microsoft Foundry comes with two kinds of portal right now. It's classic and new. Make sure that you have enabled the new Foundry. And what we have seen today, we have created a voice live real-time agent with Microsoft Foundry Agent Service using the Foundry portal, and you can also choose another tool like Python and C# as well. So you can follow these instructions and configure your own voice live agent. All of this information can be integrated with Dynamics 365. Imagine having a 360-degree view of your patient and knowing when they called, what was the conversation between Alex and the patient, and what is the time they are coming in the clinic, and what's the latest medication they are taking. All of these features can be integrated in Dynamics 365 Power Platform. And also, if you want to send a reminder to them, any of the campaigns, you can use Customer Insights journeys to send out those email campaigns. Isn't it powerful? I have done a quick comparison between Azure AI Foundry, WAPI, and 11 Labs. WAPI and 11 Labs offer similar service for speech and voice agents. So with regards to the data storage, Microsoft has their data centers in Australia. So from compliance point of view and data security point of view, I would prefer Microsoft. In WAPI, currently they don't have any Australian data centers, and 11 Lab have their data centers in United States. But they do provide an isolated environment for a specific region, but I'm not 100% sure if 11 Labs would have their would provide the instance for Australia as well, maybe in the near future. And from compliance perspective, Microsoft supports Australian government and healthcare regulations and all the requirements. On the WAPI's website, I did not find any healthcare compliance focused key. And for 11 Labs, I did not find any certification for processing and taking care of the medical data. If we talk about the features, in Azure AI Foundry, there is integrated voice, there is speech, there is logic, there's a lot of automation we can do. And most of the organizations in Australia are using Microsoft Fabric. So it can integrate seamlessly with Dynamics 365, with Power Platform, with Power Automate, with Microsoft Outlook, with Microsoft Teams. So using Azure AI Foundry opens a lot of opportunity for automation. With WAPI and 11 Labs, these are very good for startups, but probably not for enterprise healthcare. And for 11 Labs, it requires separate telephony logic and different integration layers. So for WAPI and 11 Labs, you have to do quite a bit of integration and do API calls and use other platforms as well. And cost would vary from platform to platform. If we talk about costing, the Azure AI Foundry ranges around $1,500 to $7,000 per month. It's just a tentative figure. And for WAPI and 11 Labs, these are the costings on the screen. So from cost point of view, of course, Azure AI Foundry is a little premium because it provides enterprise features and integrated If you have logics. access to Azure portal, then you can see the cost analysis for your AI agent. I'm on the page for my Alex, who is AI Receptionist. So I can see a bit of costing here and what's the dollar value per call. So far, my average estimate is $0.06 per day, which is not that expensive, but could be expensive when the number of calls increase. So we have to make sure that we configure the infrastructure efficiently.